The key to financial freedom: 6 levels of spending money. Many people ask me, how do I achieve financial freedom? But I ask back, have you really thought about it seriously? They often hear that poor people like to buy branded goods, while rich people buy fakes. But in reality, the most frugal people are often the poor. The rich don't calculate the price of a meal or count every penny. They spend money for feelings, for style, for energy. Level 1. People who treat money like their life. These people always save, always fear scarcity. They live in a low-energy state, afraid to spend, afraid to invest in themselves. They are controlled by money. Meanwhile, wise people dare to spend, not because they waste, but because they have faith in the future. Confucius once taught, to be human, one must live according to emotions. Positive emotions are the energy to explode in a career. What is the reality? Poor people don't dare to borrow money to buy a car to meet clients. The rich understand that having a good car helps them be confident, sign contracts, and open up the future. The feeling comes first. Success follows. Level 2. Spending money uselessly, but actually useful. Many people only dare to spend money on special occasions, but those useless expenses create style, vision, and confidence. Poor people buy tangible things. Rich people buy the intangible: feelings, style, image, opportunities. Spending money is intelligence. Great people know how to use 100 units of money to create value worth 10 million. Those who don't know how to spend, even if they spend 10 million, it's not worth 100 units. Level 3. Using money to bless others. Arskimis. Spreading positive energy. The rich tip service staff and security not to show off. They understand that a few dollars can ignite hope, awaken gratitude, and create positive change. When someone works with heart, good habits form. The whole community changes. Relationships are not just transactions. The rich know how to use money to inspire dedication. When you can make others work with their hearts, you are sowing merit and building a sustainable career. Level 4. Blessing money. Awakening the soul of money. Money also has a soul. If in your hands, money becomes more valuable, more energetic, more alive, then money will come to you by itself. This is transforming money into fortune. Blessing money. Turning every unit you have into an investment that creates much greater value. Money doesn't like to stay in the dark. Poor people lock money away in fear. The rich make money multiply through knowledge and positive energy. Level 5. Using money with the way. Dao. Li Keqiang always lets partners enjoy 70%. He only keeps 30%. Because he doesn't follow the merchant's path, but the leader's path. What about Jack Ma? He understands yin and yang. Selling is yang, buying is yin, and he controls the platform, mastering both. Top business is controlling the flow. You don't need to buy, don't need to sell. Just create an ecosystem, and money will flow to you. Level 6. Using money for the nation, for the people. The highest level, when you spend money with the mindset of serving the country, serving the community. When you have a heart for the nation, you receive all the energy from the nation. This mindset connects you with national spirit and macro money flow. Use money to spread love, enrich the country. And at that moment, you are not just rich. You become a person with a mission. Summary. Poor people ask, how to have money first, then dare to spend. Rich people say, you must know how to spend money to be able to earn money. Money is just a tool. But if you know how to use it to elevate yourself, elevate others, elevate the nation, then money will become your loyal friend. Remember, spending money the right way is investment. Spending money at the right time is strategy. Spending money on the right people is wisdom. Spending money with style is courage. If you find this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends interested in wealth mindset. And remember, if just one sentence today helps you become better, I am already satisfied.